Keurig pods, original blend, some ranch, got some waffle bowl. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm in the classroom. We got the AC rolling. So it's Friday afternoon. I just wanted to simply talk to you guys about a couple of things because I know a lot of people are questioning certain things. So I'm in my classroom. Kids are gone. The teacher I work under is gone as well because I was in here cleaning. So some ways that we keep this classroom clean. First of all, you can see we have the kids spaced out. There's only four, there's two. Nobody sits at this table. We have two at this table, and we have two here. We have this hospital grade spick and span. I spray the tables every day with a clean cloth, and I even spray over here at our sink area where the kids wash their hands. Over here is my desk area. I wipe over here really good too. If we need to space kids out for breakfast and stuff, we have this part right here, and we have these. These are lap trays. You can put these on the ground, stick stuff on the sides of them, and on top. So for snacks, kids can bring in snacks for the classroom, and they have to be individually wrapped. Prime example, they cannot come to share. We also have snacks like this where the kids can just grab and go. In order to be safe outside for lunch, we have mats. These mats are yoga mats, and we use them outside for the kids. And this is where we eat outside, right there. So also to keep the kids safe, we asked each parent to send in 3 disinfecting wipes containers. So we have them here. I wipe down the kids' tables every day with that, so I keep 4 over here. Every kid has their own water bottle. So the ones that do not and are not able to bring water bottles, we supply them for them. And we have tape on the floor for certain people to space people out. So I wanted to show you guys a quick view into the classroom of things that are working, things that are not working, especially during COVID. So let's just jump right into it. So first things first, each table has a book bin. Has about 5 books in there, 5 to 6 books for them to look at during the week. The kids each have their own pencil pouch that we as the school purchased, and they just bought their colored pencils, an expo marker to put into them. So they each have their own. Some other things that we're doing in the classroom is we have bookmarks for the kids to know where their pages are. We have these cute little shelves where they get to keep all of their stuff in. This is our Friday folder container. The kids will bring those back on Mondays. And then we have our birthday chart that's fully set up. The kids love coming over here to see whose birthday it is. Every day, I change the chart of what lunch is. So prime example for Monday, it's steak and cheese sub, a grilled cheese, or a salad. And I just mark each child's choice next to it. And so yeah. Anyways, let's see. So if we're looking into the classroom further, we just got these new boards. All you have to do is turn it on. I'm not going to turn it on because it's not linked to my computer. But over here is our bookshelf. The kids are allowed to come and pick out a book if they want to, but they have this little container full of books right here that they can look at. And we kept all of their materials
over.
So this is all the extra materials, pencils, colored pencils, expo markers, scissors for the kids, just in case they needed extra. So thanks for looking into my classroom and seeing how things are going in here for me as a first grade instructional assistant.